Welcome to the Demon Princess Show. Okay, I'm here. Where are you, DP?
Oh, I'll be right there. Just give me 1 second.
It smells amazing.
Oh, I think you'll be really surprised. Alright, so I know how you like spice.
I sure do.
Well, I made something special to warm you up. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here it comes.
Wow. That looks incredible. And the smells? Oh my goodness. I've never seen anything like it.
Well, don't get too overly excited, because here's your wine.
I just don't know what I would do if you didn't have any wine. I would be completely beside myself.
I know. There has been times.
So, DP, tell me about it. I want to hear everything.
Alright. The dish that I'm preparing here is chicken enchilada. I pre-cooked all of the chicken breasts that you see here in the air fryer, and I just took them out of the fridge. Well, they were pretty cold, so I had a little hard time chopping them all up, but as you can see, I got it all done. And I made a lot more than I really needed, but it all got used. And then I continued with one very large onion. It was going fine at first. And then towards the end, I noticed that the smells of the onion was really getting overpowering to me. I actually had to step back for a moment. But that's the price you pay with cutting a whole onion. And then the garlic. I actually like chopping garlic. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of it because of sticky fingers, but that really doesn't bother me much. And as far as things that you have to chop, this takes the least amount of time. So I don't see a problem with that. And so now the fun, well, maybe it's not fun for some people, but I enjoy putting together all the different spices, seeing all the colors and mixing them all up. It's really an amazing thing. And then I started heating up the pan with some oil and flour, getting that sauce really nice and thick, and it really didn't take too much time to get that going. And then I threw in all my spices and then some tomato sauce, followed by some beef stock, because I did not have any chicken stock. And then I add some of my saltless seasoning to give it a little bit more flavor. and then stir, stir, stir. Oh, and then I added some vinegar, give it a little bit of a kick, and then there it goes boiling. And here's my next pan. Cooking up the onions, and then I'll be doing the garlic. And that has to cook for a little while. But then I add some more seasoning to that. And then I put some of the red sauce into that, mix it up. And now, close to the end, I start making the tortillas with the red sauce and then the chicken mixture, followed by some cheese on top. And then I roll them up, start putting them in my casserole dish, which I could have double layered, but it still turned out really good. But I was able to put about 5 of them in there. And then I put some sauce going over the top of them with some cheese. And then I preheat the oven to 350 for 20 minutes. And the reveal will be coming up. There it comes. No, not that part. Whoosh. Oh, it's like magic. Doesn't that look so delicious? And so along with this, I also made a baked potato and some corn to go along.
Wow, DP. That's amazing. And I can't believe you did all that.
Yeah, I did. So before it starts getting cold, you better dive right in.
Okay,
Alright, well, enjoy.
I sure will. Thank you.